What's the meaning of corncob? Corncob. Corncob.
Corncob. Corncob. A corncob is the central part of an ear of corn where the kernels are connected. It is often used for cooking and can be boiled, grilled, or roasted. When cooked, the kernels become tender and flavorful, making the corncob a popular side dish. Corncobs can also be used as a source of biofuel and as a raw material for certain industrial products. Additionally, corncobs have been used for various crafts and traditional games. Overall, the corncob is a versatile and useful part of the corn plant.